So what's interesting is back at the parking lot, which is a place we can park, there are warning signs about norovirus.
You got to be concerned.
Don't get
Be
norovirus.
safe.
What they don't tell you about is the bears. Go. Right there. Bear, go. Hey. Hey. Go. Bear. He's going. Ah, trail goes this way. Ah. Ah.
We're just through here, coming through.
Ah. Hey.
We're not trying to do anything with you.
Bear.
You looking at him?
Yeah, he looked. He went down. Hey.
Coming through. Being loud. No bear.
So, PSA, watch out for the bears.
We made it. There it is. We did it.
Dragon's tooth. One of the Virginia.
You
Oh,
did that
it's
right in
over.
front of my face.
I know, I did that. Yeah, do it over here. Do it over here.